now we are discussing two debates about science is boon and curse. So I would like to thank Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir because you have given me a golden opportunity to discuss science is curse and boon. Now I am going to start. My topic name is science is curse. According to me, science is a curse because in this time many pollution as well as climate change by the help of human activities, and in this time many vehicles are using using every home. So that's why if you use vehicles, and vehicles is release lots of gases just like carbon dioxide, methane gas, sulfur dioxide, and these gases is harmful for our health as well as environment. That's why science is curse.
According to me, science is good because in this time science is very important for everyone, because in these times every people depend on science. Like science has made cycles, mobiles, many types of machines, and in this type of machine is very useful for our daily work, like vehicles. By the help of vehicles you can go anywhere.
But vehicles release lots of gases. You know now.
Yes, I know.
Good.
But for that with the help of vehicles you can go easy way anywhere.
Yeah. And
you can also
science has also provided electric vehicles, and in this
But
times many
okay, I am agree with you, but you don't totally right. Suppose that you are going by the help of electric vehicles.
Yes.
Suddenly electric vehicles battery is going on. That's why if you will have to go on foot now.
you can also charge in your any shop.
But suddenly your vehicles charge going on.
But I think in these times in auto, in any types of vehicles, batteries are very big, and they going on very long way.
No, you are saying wrong.
Yes, I'm wrong, but in these times, not in our area, another countries, people use electric bus, electric train, metro train.
Yeah, I know metro train, but metro train is used for us and every person.
Yes.
Okay, and they are going easy way.
Okay, I have another points. So science make mobile phones. Mobile phone is very useful for our work and our education. By the help of mobiles, you can read without any pay money.
Okay, but mobiles release lots of radiation, and mobiles radiation damage your eyes as well as body, and thinking power and skills power also you damage. So it is not good. If you can use a long time, and you take long time on mobile, on laptop. Okay, and TV, television, then your eyes is damaged. Suddenly you are seeing serials and news. Okay, continue approximately 2 to 3 hours. Okay, and suddenly you came in front of your house. Okay, you came outside your house, then your eyes is curving, and
Also black.
and you can see black. So it is not good for our eyes.
Okay, I agree with your points, but mobile is very useful. I know this type of thing is happening, but every people's and every children's depend on mobile.
Yeah, every person and every children depends on mobile, but mobile isn't good because we are using phone, and you can scroll reels, videos, so it is not good for children as well as teenager.
Yes, I know it is bad, but in these times in our mobiles many types of available, many types of good videos available, and like education videos, motivational videos.
But every person doesn't see now.
So that is fault of those people.
Yeah, but science make lots of things. Okay, but science doesn't matter what is good and what is wrong. But it is
Science has thinking that I am making that thing that is good, but person are using in bad way. What can I do?
Yeah, every person are using a bad.
Science has provided mobile for study, and you can also talk
Not
with
a
your
study,
parents.
not a science is not a study, only study. Okay, and you can use any application. Every type of application you can use by the help
Yes,
of
if
phone,
you-
and
if you
you
want-
can knowledge, you can get knowledge by the help of phone.
Yes, if you want to download any files, then you can download.
And suddenly your file delete, then at that time what will you do?
You will you can save your files in
Suddenly your phone damaged, your file deleted, then what will you do?
No, if you know about your mobile password and your email ID, then you can operate another mobiles.
Okay. In this time, human activity is going a lots of. Okay, and in this time, world area is limited, but population is increasing day by day. That's why people cut the tree.
Yes.
Okay. Then they needs a house and buildings and factory company. Okay. Then. They are cutting tree, and tree is gives oxygen gas and release carbon dioxide gas. If they are cutting trees and oxygen level is decreased.
Yes.
Okay, but carbon dioxide is increased now, so carbon dioxide is not good for our health and environment.
Yes, I know, but in this time population is very increasing. That's why people wants to homes and factories, and in this time people are very greedy and they wants to lots of money. That's why they establish more factories, more business.
Yeah, more factory and more business established, but factories release lots of gases, and their work are doing they are work doing iron work, steel work, plastic work, and if you want to use plastic, and but plastic is not a biodegradable thing. Okay, and but paper is a biodegradable thing, and you can use paper plastic, not paper bag, not a plastic bag. So plastic bag is not used for animal and human being first.
But if you have to take any liquid thing, how can you take in paper bag?
Canteen, but you can take canteen. Only liquid is not absorb. You can take plastic and paper bag. You can
Plastic are renewable things. It can make easier life. Like one plastic is waste, then other people
okay.
make it another things like chair and all other things.
Yes,
It is a
plastic
renewable
is a
things.
reusable things.
Yeah, you are saying right, but in this time, human take human takes food on the plastic, okay, and plastic through anywhere, and suppose that animals eat plastic, and there is diseases in disease. Animals became disease.
But plastic is for the throwing of plastic. Their science has provided also dustbin. Person for that they are so lazy they can't able to throw the plastic in the dustbin.
And
For that plastic, science has provided the plastic, but for their throwing, science has also provided the
But
dustbin.
everything depends on person depend. But person don't use to right way.
No,
but every person are using wrong way direction.
Okay,
and misuse the
Not every
everything.
person. Not every person using in
Yeah, you
that
can
way.
also do.
No,
you
I
can
can't
go
do it.
anywhere.
Literate person can't do this type of things. They own their plastic and throw in the dustbin. But unliterate person can throw anywhere the plastic. So much
And you know, in
good.
today's times, in villages, people make the bamboo bottles, clothes bag.
Yeah, I know.
So that is good. Mm,
That is
you
good
know,
for
some
society.
people are throw plastics and anywhere, but more people are
Throwing the plastic.
yes, more people are maintained our city and our
Environment.
yes.
Okay, but farmer are using and farmer is make lots of things just like fruit, vegetables, fruits, crops. Okay, farmers are cropping lots of things and they use chemicals and they insert the chemicals on fruits and vegetables. So it is not good for human beings.
Okay, you know why
Farmer
they
doesn't
used
use herbal things. They can use environmental thing like
Not an environmental thing, then
They
farmer
can-
use chemical things. That's why every human beings are going disease like. At that time you can't use chemical thing, but in this time lots of lots of chemicals can then they use.
all farmer doesn't use chemical.
Not all farmers, lots of farmers they use.
No, they
If
can
they
You are
don't-
saying
if
they use herbal chemical. That's like most cabbage was selling in low price, but most matlab, best quality of cabbage was selling at 100 of cost.
okay, you know
I
science
understand. See,
science role food productions in food production science role is very important. You know, science has made type of chemicals like if you want to more vegetables and more fruits, then you can use this type of chemicals. And you know, by the help of chemicals, uh, your vegetable is grown very
Faster.
very faster.
but it is not good now. How can
If
if
they will-
at that time population is not increase at that time, suppose that ancient time, okay, but they are using original and pure thing they use, but in this time by the population is increasing, they use chemicals and they are
Because people,
eating and
because
uh,
nowadays
every-
people was greedy. They want more things to
More
eat
things
and
to
survive
eat.
in life. They
One
want
no, you are
day
saying
luxurious
not
life.
no, you are saying totally wrong.
Why?
How?
Because it is not good, because and ancient time people are using and they crops lots of things they can't use chemical, because at that time chemical is
Now-
wasn't available at that time, but in this time almost chemical is available, then they use chemical and insert the fruits as well as vegetables, and we are eating chemicals foods and chemicals vegetables, so it is not good. And at that time and ancient time hasn't disease available, just like cancers, blood cancer, uh, brain hemorrhage. At a time, this disease is not available, but in
This
this
disease is available, but no one can trust in this disease. They
No.
they think that Oja coming and I will get very soon now. So they don't
but at
worry
a
for
time
that.
some disease available, just like cough, fever, chicken pox. This type of things is available. Then they trust and they use a herbal thing, and herbal thing is good for us.
Yes, I agree. But you know, in these times, in medical science, herbal things also uses, like Patanjali,
But
Himalayas
in
medicine.
this time, not a person going a herbal shop and Patanjali shop. Then
How can you say that?
Then they use going medical and clinic and they check up by the help of doctor and almost medicine is use chemicals as well as herbal.
Why they
But
are
in
using
this-
the medicine? Because they have to do their job also. They have to earn their money also. That's why they are thinking that if I will use the medicine, I can feel in less time I can feel good. Then I will go to the earn money. If I will in 1 month I will in the home, then how can I earn the money and how can I take care of my children if they will not earn money?
And you know,
That's why they are using the medicine.
What? But in this time, almost medicine is available, just like drugs medicine. But drugs medicine isn't available for health, because every doctors are
using with the
yeah, but in this time population is increasing now, and that's why everything is going bad way direction. Just like pollutions, deforestation, agriculture, industrial factories, वगैरह, so increasing because of population is increasing.
Nowadays people can live luxurious life, so they want to improve our life in a better easy way.
So then you can use bad way thing. Okay, every person wants to luxurious life, but that's why.
So they cut the forest and tree.
Yeah.
If
And
you have
got your life is damaged,
I am saying one
continue
example.
or say continue or
Nobody
say,
can
and then
continuously
you
use. They have earned to money, so they
continue.
want
I
to
think
go
1
out
to
from
3
house.
hours.
Nobody can
But
watch.
news just prox 1 to 3 hours now. But you use newspaper and you get knowledge by the help of newspaper, and your skills, powers, and your mind is going very well. Okay, and your mind is catch up lots of things by the help of readings, writings.
Okay, I agree.
Then
But you know,
if you see television and get knowledge, and you sometimes after some time you forget everything, that's
I am saying one
What
example.
will you
If you have to give thought in your school, then how can you give thought today news in your school?
By watching television.
By watching the television, you can
not
also.
watching television.
Yeah, how?
You can you read newspaper.
But in newspaper yesterday news, not today news.
But today news not right time, just like 5 o'clock in morning time. At a time today news available.
Yes,
It's morning time.
all the time newsers are present in the TV. All the time they are in TV.
you know, in television has many types of languages news available. If you are Bengali, Bihari, and this language available in your television, and you can saw that. If you are uneducated, then you can saw that by the help of TV, and you can understand very easily.
Newspapers are also available in all languages.